Hi, I'm Jeff, and today we're going to tackle the topic how to export from Revit to AutoCAD. Let's get started. First, I'm going to screen share here, and we're going to jump over to Revit. Now, exporting a single sheet or view from Revit to AutoCAD is going to be one of our most common scenarios. So I'll simply scroll in the project browser down to the sheet that I'm wanting to export. In this case, we're going to do sheet ME401. Then just up here at the top of the menu, I'll select File, Export, CAD Formats, and then DWG. By default, Revit's just going to fill this with the one sheet that I have open here in the active view. If we'd like to do a large batch of sheets all at one time, we can set up something called a sheet set, which we can discuss in a separate video. We're going to come down here and select Next. Here we've got a few choices to make. We're going to browse to the location we want to save the new file at. We're also going to choose which year of AutoCAD we'd like it to be compatible with, keeping in mind that AutoCAD files are backward compatible, meaning that an older AutoCAD file can be opened on a newer year of the software, but newer saved files might not be able to be opened on an older version of the software. And we've also got some naming choice if we'd like to manually specify the file name here or use some of the automatic predetermined naming options. This is especially helpful if we're doing a large batch all at the same time. And finally, this last tick box here is another important point to note. If we leave the box checked, it's going to export views on sheets and links as external references. This means that if you have, for example, your architectural or structural files as separate Revit models, it's going to save each of those as a separate DWG file linked into your main DWG file as an XREF if you untick it like this. And that's if you leave it ticked, it will do that. And if you untick it like this, it will take all of the information and just save it down to one single DWG, which is what we're after today. So we're just going to go ahead and click OK. And then we can navigate to where we've exported that. Open it on up in CAD. And we can see here that, yes, we successfully exported that drawing. And we've got the sheet here in paper space, all the model elements here in model space. And I hope that answers your question today. And I want to wish you the best of luck in all of your learning. Stay well. Take care.